Hi guys, I'm Sebastian and this is Don.
Hello.
We are locally world famous chiropractors in Orange County, California.
Locally world famous.
Music to my ears. So we're going to cover some modifications to sit-ups today for a lot of you who are dealing with lower back pain associated with sit-ups. It's a really common problem that people do have. If you have a question about why you're having this back pain and what it could be, you need to watch our other videos. Somewhere in the corner there's a little red dot and it'll take you to our channel. By the way, subscribe because you get all these videos when they actually come out. But search the search bar and put in lower back pain. We cover many different types of lower back pain: facet syndrome, SI joint pain, lumbar disc herniation. The list can go on and on. And so just go through that and it'll give you all the good details. But stay tuned for this because we're going to show you some really cool ways to challenge your core without having to piss off your back doing sit-ups. So we're going to challenge each other. Let's see how, if I can stump you, then I get $10.
Me first.
So you're going to take, oh good, you're going to give me the easy one then. Okay. So, does this cause you low back pain?
It actually is.
It does? Okay. Let's go ahead and relax on your back. When do you feel the back pain?
Up here.
At the top. Okay. So why don't we then scale this thing? So actually, we should ask, what's your goal?
I want six-pack.
You want that like muscle belly that everybody wants? Not attractive, but okay. So first off is I'm just going to have you crunch. Right there, stay. Okay, so we can see with Dawn, if you really kind of pause it and zoom in, you'll see that she has this domine right here. Okay, so that's better. So there's a domine that's coming out here, and in the sides, stiffen up here.
Okay, wait. Here
Okay,
we go.
stiffen up here first. Right there. So that's better, so she looks flatter. The domine, a lot of times, it's a representation that she's not using her entire core, she's just using part of it. And so you will get the muscle belly with that because you're really working the rectus abdominis, but you're not going to get support from the other areas. Does that feel better?
Yeah. It's harder.
It's harder. Okay, good. So stay.
So you don't want me to come all the way up doing that?
I don't want you to come all the way up. I just want you to go to the point where you start to struggle. Go slow, go slow, go slow, right there. But she has that domine again, so let's get rid of that. I didn't anticipate this coming on, so. Right there, good. Okay, breathe in the nose, out the mouth. In the nose 3 seconds, out the mouth 6. Believe it or not, the breathing will make it more challenging than you think.
Oh gosh, okay.
Okay, so she's already smoked. How many sit-ups can you do though?
I don't
usually?
know. I have no idea. I don't do sit-ups.
If maybe she says 50, this will probably smoke her if she can do 50 sit-ups in a session. So this is still challenging.
Heck yeah.
So that's option 1 for modification. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the crunch. Ow. On the initial part, on the way up, it hurts. So I don't get to do the whole sit-up.
Okay.
Ow. Ow.
Okay.
Can you let me keep doing this?
Figure out where I want
Ow.
to go with this. Alright. Okay. I don't want to use the same cues you just did. Let's have you crush my hand. Let me come around, show them what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to put my hand here. Crush it, break it, break it, break it, breathe out, hold.
So are you going to come to the gym with me?
Does that hurt?
No. You going
Alright.
to come to the gym with me?
Nope, pretend my hand's there. Crush it. Good. Come up, breathe, breathe, breathe. All I want you to do is only lift your shoulder blades up off the ground. Okay? Good. Breathe, breathe.
So should I put my hand there?
You can if you want to. Crush your own hands.
Oh yeah, it feels pretty good.
Good. So crush your own hands.
It's really
breathe
hard
out.
though.
Should be hard. What do you feel working? Belly wall. Perfect. So sometimes we just need to activate a little bit differently and then just come up and crunch and hold. Only bring the shoulder blades up and you don't get the rounding in the back and you still get that whole belly wall turn on. You like that one?
Yeah, I do. Okay. Your turn. What do you got for me?
With the sit-ups, huh?
Well, yeah, or this sit-up crunchy thing. How about that?
What?
How about the sit-up crunchy thing?
All these crunchies? Only crunchies?
Yeah, something curly. Oh, you're going to do a leg modification. Okay.
Oh gosh.
You got a weak core. Okay, so this hurts you?
Yep.
Okay. What's your goal?
I hear that if I get my belly stronger, that my back will feel better. Then I need to do core work to protect my low back.
Does this help your back?
It just seems to be hurting, but maybe if I do it more, it'll feel better.
Okay. Good logic, but I'm going to say no.
Okay.
Don't work through the pain. The exercises should generally make you feel better. And so we're going to do a different belly challenge with her. Why don't we do one that at least everybody's got a little bit of. You got a big old hole in your sock.
I just saw that too.
Okay. Why don't you lie on your back for me? Okay. Come this way so we're in camera view. Okay. We're gonna do a dead bug.
Okay.
Okay. Knees up, feet up. Good. Okay. So let's place your hands. Make a diamond. Place them behind your lower back, as if they're encompassing an area where you put a tattoo on a bad trip to Mexico.
Okay.
Because the reason I say that, because people put it on their tailbone or their sacrum sometimes, and so make sure it's in the flat, the small of your back.
Yep.
Okay, knees up, feet up. Good. You should feel like you're kind of curling your tailbone off the ground. Hold that. Just hold it. Breathe into your hands. Once you get the belly a little active in this position, then we're going to drop one heel to the ground and back up. If you feel like you're losing pressure on your own hands with your back, don't go that far. Okay? This is pretty exhausting to a lot of people, but if we want to challenge her a bit, stay there. I'm gonna be her gym buddy. Don't let me move you. You imagine people at the gym doing this one? Yeah, you go, bro. Come on. Is that one hurt? Hard on you?
It's really hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a good easy modification.
I like that.
Okay, so that's 3 of them. Do you want to go beyond?
So you're
or?
saying take the spread leg one away, or are you giving me that one based off of my goal? I gave you.
Your goal was to have the 6-pack, right? To strengthen your core to strengthen the core so your back doesn't hurt anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So I gave it to you because that was your goal.
Way. I like it.
Yeah. If your goal was maybe bodybuilding, we might have to find some other options for you.
Cool.
But
what you got?
You want another?
You got more?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't do a bunch of sit-ups anymore, so this is.
You can't steal the same one.
What other modifications of sit-ups, or what other ways do people do sit-ups? Is that a sit-up? That's a V-up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do a V-up. Yeah. Doc.
I stumped myself on this one.
Yeah, what are you gonna do now?
Okay, I know what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
So don't reach for your feet. I want you to reach straight up to the ceiling.
Ooh.
Can't quite move as much, and you might feel like your low back is really grounded more and your core turned on.
That's a good idea.
That one instead.
What if you reach? No, I like yours
Get
better.
long. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Cool.
Yeah.
I don't think we can think of any more crunch variations.
Yeah, I don't know if there's more variations. There's definitely more suggestions we can make as a way to modify or alternative. Even something as simple as using, like, a lot of gyms will have that lumbar support. Mm-hmm. Even something like that is not a bad idea to use. But yeah, I think it's all. So I guess we should address, do you need to do crunches and sit-ups to get your lower back to feel better?
No.
Short and sweet, huh?
Not necessarily. If that's something that you guys want to do, then that's why we show you these modifications. I like doing sit-ups, or I go to a certain gym that has this in the circuit put together. Okay, we'll try these cues if that's something that you are putting into your routine altogether. But if it's to help strengthen your core because you heard that that's supposed to help with your low back pain, then there's different ones that you can do so that you don't further injure your low back. And then going forward, you might actually feel stronger. So.
Yeah, I agree. So, what else do we have?
Okay, forgot where we were going with this.
Dawn never really likes to do the closing, but she's better at the closing than I am, and she just
So basically,
avoids it.
we give you these things for you guys to choose. Choose one cue, see if it works for you. If that helps with that specific movement, that's great, use it. If you are still having low back pain after trying all of these things, maybe we just need to regress you a little bit and try to get to the core of what is causing your low back pain in the first place, find a little first aid for you to do for a while, and then we can slowly work in some core work for you, some ones that work better for you that don't continue to re-injure your low back. So how do you do that? You have a bunch of different options. I'm going to give you 3. First one is you can click on the free gift that pops up somewhere right now. It might pop up on the video. If it does not and we look foolish waving our hands around, it's in the description below. Click on the link, use it. Those are the next steps of how to mitigate your low back pain and to strengthen your core. You can come see us in person. We are in Orange County, California. Don't look at me like that. We're in Orange County, California. We would love to see you in person. That's the best way for us to get you better faster. If that is not something that can happen for you, we can see you virtually as well. We'd love to hop on a video chat with you, take you through some better core exercises that might help with your low back pain. Either way, reach out to us. We'd love to help.